Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video, and as some of you know, I like to experiment with different crafts and whatnot, so I figured I would make something on a canvas this time. I found an old canvas at home that has a bunch of rips, so I figured it would be good to practice on. And I'm gonna make something like this. So I actually purchased this over a year ago from a local artist, and it's just like a minimalistic boho art, boho arches. So what did I do? I did a bit of research to find out what material to use, what works best. So I read one article and someone recommended using the plaster of Paris, and you would mix that with a little bit of Gorilla Glue, and of course you need water because this is in a powder form. So I tried that and didn't really work out. The mixture was setting in approximately like 5-6 minutes, so I didn't have a lot of time to work on the designs. So I went out and bought this, but I likely will not be using this anymore. So then I did proper research again, and I found that the best thing to use for this type of art is joint compound. It's already pre-mixed in a tub, so all I have to do is open the tub, put it on my canvas, spread it around with a spatula, and then I can start making designs. For now, let's open up this tub and see what the joint compound looks like, what the consistency is, and how much I'm gonna need to put on the canvas. I'm just gonna start spreading this on the canvas. It wasn't like as bad as I thought. Okay. So I'm just gonna cover that up.